Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the file you'll modify and confirming you're signed in. This ensures plugin changes sync. Once done, open the Plugins panel from the menu or right-click the canvas to reveal available tools. Make sure your team permissions allow plugin use if working in a team file, otherwise switch to a local copy. You'll see built-in and installed plugins. Now install or select the plugin you need so you can run it directly against selected layers or frames. You search the Figma community, install the plugin, and immediately grant the permissions it requests. This allows the plugin to edit files or access components. Once installed, open the plugin from the Plugins panel. You'll see its UI and configuration options. Configure defaults like color palettes, grid spacing, or export formats so the plugin behaves predictably. Then select the layers or frames you want to affect. If the plugin has batch options, set them now. You run the plugin and watch how it transforms the selected elements. This is where intent meets action. Once changes appear, review results carefully and use undo if adjustments are needed, or accept and export final assets. Make sure to save a version so you can revert if necessary. If the plugin fails or behaves oddly, restart Figma, update the plugin, and verify compatibility with your file type or team settings. If problems persist, disable other plugins to isolate conflicts before reporting a bug.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.